we have a unique real estate practice. Not only do we handle real estate transactional work, but we also handle real estate litigation, and there is a difference. We have attorneys who not only help people with purchases and sales, we also have attorneys who handle the litigation when the contracts don't go the way they should be going for folks. And it's not uncommon for one of our attorneys to be helping a seller in a transactional situation. And then if for some reason the purchaser tries to back out, one of our other attorneys taking the case over and trying to run that case through the court system if necessary. In many firms, they don't have that type of experience, and you might start off with one firm and then have to wait to get an appointment with another firm when things go bad. At our law firm, you don't have to do that. You can stay right here and we'll take care of the whole thing for you.